Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this analysis video we would see where can Nifty and Bank Nifty make momentum tomorrow and what must be the levels which you must look out for or have on your chart, and where you can find crucial support and resistance level based upon which you could take good trades. So one thing I would want to suggest you that rather than watching my video directly, you must have your analysis ready and then you can cross validate your analysis with my analysis, and it would help you to develop and grow. So let's look at Nifty Bank on daily time frame. So as yesterday we have seen a great short covering rally, and yesterday I stated that today market is also expected to open gap up because this strong momentum needs to be absorbed by the market and it cannot sharply correct itself. So today momentum was absorbed, so you could see a sideways price action or a bit of retracement in Nifty Bank and Nifty as well. This level would act as a resistance because this was a gap. See how gaps work as support and resistance, and follow this the next day. If Nifty Bank comes to your level which you had planned to take trade, then only take trade. Don't try to force Nifty Bank, or don't try to visualize patterns, or don't try to read your mind through the charts. Read what the chart says to you. So let's view it on 15-minute time frame. As we have seen on daily time frame, this was the level where there was a gap in Nifty Bank, and Nifty Bank came up till 19,400 levels and then retraced back. As I have stated in my previous video how expiry works, that market rises up to a certain point and then it falls back as option seller comes, because premium of call options become very high and they sell heavily call options as their premium is high. Then you can see a downward movement, then again upward movement as put options have very high premium. So in this way you can see sideways price action on most of the expiry days. So tomorrow if Nifty Bank opens either flat or gap up, then you could see Nifty Bank taking support at 9,000 level. If it opens gap down, then first support for Nifty Bank would be at 18,500 levels. Also you can watch out for some potential trades at this gap. On upside you can see significant resistance at 19,400 and 19,500 levels. Within last couple of days, Nifty Bank had rallied from 17,500 to 19,500 almost. So market needs to absorb this much strong momentum. So it's most likely that market would be a range bound and you can expect a sideways price action. As tomorrow is first day of the new weekly expiry, the premium decay of options would be very less, so I would prefer going with futures as I am expecting to be a range bound day. So let's look at Nifty and what could be the levels possible in Nifty, as Nifty looks stronger as compared to Bank Nifty. After 9,500 you can see 9,550 being the most crucial level for Nifty, as there has been a heavy sell-off around this level. So this level would act as a resistance for Nifty. On lower side you can expect a support from today's gap, and after that 9,000 level which has been constant support for Nifty to act as strong support as well. So let's view at Nifty on 15-minute time frame. So depending upon opening, if Nifty opens tomorrow gap down, then immediate 9,450 level would act as a resistance to it. If it opens flat or gap up, then you can see this level act as support, and on upper side you can see 9,500 level. But as this level has been tested many times, if broken with volume, then the next level which you should look out for is 9,550 levels. One more thing which I would want to share with you, that how really things work. If you can see, as I had stated, that on weekly time frame Nifty Bank was making a V correction, but market usually either works in W pattern, or a fall off, then a sideways price action, and then either a breakout or a breakdown. So you can see a W pattern was formed, and around this level, if you are viewing my videos regularly, I had told you to expect a bullish momentum in Nifty Bank, and you can see how strong momentum it has given. Now Nifty Bank is expected to make a consolidation, as you can see in earlier patterns. Here there was a sharp fall, a first sharp up move, then a down move, a W pattern type formation, then a small consolidation, and then a move towards upside. You can see many such occurrences as well, either forming a W type pattern or an M type pattern if the downward momentum is strong. So you can look here, this is W pattern, this is W pattern, this in fact was an M pattern, this in fact was a strong W pattern form. So you can backtest yourself and look how market works and understand the concepts, so that it would become easy for you to trade and you would become a successful trader. I would update more based on opening levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow on my Twitter handle, so do follow me on my Twitter handle to stay updated with Nifty and Bank Nifty exact analysis, so that it would help you to assist in taking your trades. So thank you friends, happy trading, happy learning.